Hello guys, this is question number 4 of exercise 12.2. So our question is a chord of a circle. So this is your circle and this line is your chord. Of radius 10 centimeter subtends a right angle at the center. So this is your center point and from the center point radius is given 10 centimeter. So this is your radius and it is given right angle. So right angle means theta. Theta is given 90 degree. Find the area of the corresponding minor segment, major segment. So we have to find the area of minor segment and major sector. So given radius is equal to 10 centimeter, theta is equal to 90 degree. Why it is 90 degree? Since it is right angle. So you have to write in bracket right angle. So we will be finding area of minor segment. So area of minor segment formula is pi theta by 360 minus sin theta by 2 bracket close into r square. So we know the value of pi. Pi value is 22 by 7 into theta is 90 degree into 360 minus sin theta is 90 by 2 bracket close into r square. R square means 10 centimeter into 10 centimeter. So we will be cancelling now. 0 0 cancel out. 9 1 ja, 9 4 ja, 2 2 ja, 2 11. So what we are left here? 11 by 14 minus sin 90 value is 1. So sin 90 value is 1 by 2 into 10 square, it will be 100 centimeter square. So we will be taking LCM. So LCM of 14 and 2 will be LCM 14. So 14, how many times 14? So 14 it will be 1 times. So 1 into 11 it will be 11 minus 2, how many ja 14? So 2 7 ja 14, 7 1 ja 7 into 100 centimeter square. So 11 minus 7 it will be 4 by 14 into 100 centimeter square. So we'll be cancelling out 2 2 ja, 2 7 ja. So what we are left? 2 into 100. So 2 into 100 it will be 200 centimeter square by 7. So if we divide it by 7, so we will be getting 28.5 centimeter square. So this is our answer for area of minor segment. Next we have to find area of major sector. So this part we have to find. This part. So we know this angle is 90 degree. So what will be the remaining angle? Why we are taking remaining angle? Because we have to find the remaining part. So here theta will be 360 minus 90. So it will be 270. So now we will be finding area of major sector. So area of major sector is equal to, we know the formula of sector. Sector formula is theta by 360 into pi r square. So theta is 270 by 360 into pi value is given here 3.14. So we will be using 3.14 into r is 10 centimeter into 10 centimeter. So we'll be cancelling it out. 0 0 cancel out. 9 3 ja 27, 9 4 ja 36, 2 2 ja 2 5 ja, 2 1 ja 2 5 ja 10. So what we are left? 3 into 3.3 into 3.14 into 5 into 5. So if we multiply all this together, so we will be getting 23550. 23550 centimeter square. So you can see after 2 digit we have decimal. So after 2 digit we have to give decimal. So 1 2. So here it will be decimal. So this is our answer. So this is the answer of our area of major sector.